Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. Now in this video I will try to implement another option, that is, let's say that when we go to the list box, okay, so I am trying to write in the list box here. So I will be keeping one variable, that is open, and I will be having this one, something like set is open is equal to use state. I'll have by default true. Okay, I am maintaining it like this, and in this box I will have one variable, one button. So I want to show it, so plus, so we will be showing this button. I will be having something like class name is equal to btn hyphen toggle, and for this btn hyphen toggle I am writing a css btn hyphen toggle. So background color will be transparent, and what I can say, the color border will be none. So these are the two things. And now if I go into the listbox.css, so for this div I will keep the style is equal to text align. I will write here and I will write it like this. Now it will go to them. Now when I click on this button, so what we need to do is, when I click on this button, I need to hide this one, and I need to toggle these all the books list. So for this reason what we can do is, so here I can write a condition. Here I will write it like this. So here if it is open, if is open is there, then I need to show this books list. So I will show this books list. Fine, right? Now I will click here on click is equal to, so here I will write like this, set is open is equal to open is toggle of not open. So I will write it like this. That's it. So now I can also show this one, so something like if is open is there, then I want to show the plus, or otherwise I want to show the minus. I think this one is more than enough. I think where we have written that one, set is open, everything is correct, right? Everything is correct. Yeah. Now if I click on this one, see, we are able to see the option. So now I think this should be something like reverse, I think. So now we have implemented the same thing. Now we are able to toggle this one, right? Now what I want to do is, I want to implement the same thing for this one. So let's go to the studied list, and here I will create again one button, that is nothing but button, class name is equal to btn hyphen toggle, and here also I will use the plus. Okay, I will be able to see this plus button. Okay, and here I will implement this one, text align is equal to end. So now let's go to the book read list, not book read list, list box. Let's go to the list box, and I will copy the same thing, and here also I will paste the same thing. And here what I want to do is, so here the entire thing is the right books read. Now I don't want what is happening here, set is open. Okay, I want to use the use state. Okay, so now when I click on this one, and when I am toggling here, so I want to minify these all the things. Okay, so for this one I will apply the background color also, background color is equal to hash e. I am applying hash e, should be something like background color. Yeah, now we are able to see here, so background color is there. When I click on this one, plus and minus, so this books list should not be there. So for that one what I want to do is, so here what I can do, so we'll try to hide everything. So that means if is open is there, then only we need to show these two things. Fine. So if is open is there, then only show these all the things. So I think this one will work fine, I think. What is happening here? Okay, two things should not be there, right? Adjacent thing. I hope that is the only problem. I think still it is coming. Oh, why this one is closing? Yeah, now here, yeah, now it's fine. Now if I click on this one, oh, on click is not there for this one also. On click is equal to set is open of open is equal to not of open. That's it. So now here we have implemented this one. If I click here, so it is working fine, but we need to implement the same thing, plus or minus. So I will copy the same thing and I will try to implement the same thing. Okay, so that's it, guys. So now we have implemented the same implementation here and here also. In the next video, what we will try to do is we will try to implement the refactoring of this one. So why? Because we are using the same code in the two components, right? So how we can implement the refactoring and all those things, we will try to see it in the next video. Hope you understood about this one. So what I will try to do is I will commit this entire code in a new branch, that is video-55, and here toggle list box. Okay, so let's commit this all the code. And I am publishing this branch. So whoever may be having doubts or anything, so they can go to refer the code. The GitHub repository link is provided in the description below. And if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.